make an animation full body. So let's begin. First we'll start from her face. We will make a circle, then 2 small lines, then like this. Then we will make the line from her face. Then after that we'll start from the neck. Make 2 lines, then after that make like this. Then after that make a sleeping line, but a little, not like longer, little small. Then make a semicircle over here. Then the hips, we will start from the hips. Then we will start from the hips. Make like this. Then make now semicircles done. Now we will make an oval shape. We'll start from the legs. This. Now legs done. Now we'll start from the knees. Now thighs done. We'll start from the knees. Like this. Now we'll start. Now the knees are done. We'll start from the legs. Then after that the feet. And another one. After that we'll make 2 circles for the shoulders. Like this. Now we'll make the hands. Make the fingers like this. Sleeves. Here you go. It's done. Now make the hair. And now her hair is also done. Now we will make the eyes. Then the mouth. And the blushes. Now we will make the decorations of her. Make the socks, the shoes. Then make the laces of this. Then after that, now I'm going to make her pants. Some decorations. Then make the decorations. Now the animation full body is done. If you like this video, kindly subscribe, like, share and comment. Bye bye. See you again with a new video.